Hey folks, how are you doing? Oh, tomorrow is Republic Day. I guess I will wake up early and work on that project that I have been thinking of working on.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm trying this really cool thing. I'm trying to create a Git like my own version control system, and let's see how it goes. So I think we have done it. Let's see how it goes. Mm, Okay. Mhm. Hmm. Mhm. Hmm. Okay. Yeah, I know that didn't go well, but it happens. The thing is to keep coding, keep experimenting. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Happy Republic Day.